Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Entrepreneurship Learning, and you know how you be entrepreneur. Today we have Paritosh Parmar joining us. Paritosh is the founder of To the Culture page. अगर परितोष आप बताएंगे क्या है To the Culture तो
So, for people who don't know, To the Culture is a platform where we promote hip hop, and yes, it's now after 9 years, it's at a level where if you are a hip hop artist, you know it or you must know it about To the Culture, and it was created. The thought was like to promote a hip hop talent where when back in 2011 जब कोई platform नहीं था तो वी थॉट द थॉट वहां से आया था कि ऐसा कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करते हैं जहाँ पे हिप हॉप प्रमोट हो सो
okay
सिंस आई वाज अ बी बॉय लाइक अ डांस आर्टिस्ट so started with breaking promoting breaking and then we added different elements to it जैसे
okay
अभी you see there's a lot of rap happening
yeah
beatbox graffiti and dance के अलग
yeah
अलग forms है breaking popping locking
mm-hmm.
street style we also do a bit of BMX and skateboard where we trying to since everything comes under the urban culture so
okay
we try to mix and fuse and expand that culture also because सब street culture है and we connect the vibe hip hop और street vibe same आता है when you for example if there's an event happening you'll hip hop event you'll see a BMX and skateboarding guy also coming and joining the vibe
yeah
because they understand the vibe and they connect so it's with we do promote hip hop but at the same time we also support the different urban culture also जैसे BMX हो गया skateboarding हो गया वैसा so that is the brief about what we do and we do a lot of content creation for brands we do a lot of our own events जहाँ
okay
से हम content create करते हैं we
okay
also do artist management we also have a small music label which is called To the Culture Records so doing a lot around hip hop it's not only it's an online platform but it is more offline also
okay
जैसे मैंने बोला इवेंट्स भी करते हैं हम लोग सिर्फ रैप
mm-hmm.
साइफर्स भी करते हैं एंड वी डू अ लॉट ऑफ live podcast also
okay
वैसा so mix of everything we have our own award function which is called To the Culture Awards वैसा so a lot of things but everything which is connected to hip hop and I think that is like a basic thing about what we do and To the Culture.
Okay, wonderful. So, how did you get this idea of starting To the Culture? What was the reason behind that?
As I told you, I'm a b-boy, and when I started, like we belong to first generation breaking, like crew, and my crew is called Underdog Combat, and
Okay.
we started in 2007. But 2007, 8, 9, 10, 10 or 11 में मेरे को ऐसा thought आया because we were doing so many shows,
Yeah.
but एक level पे जाके respect नहीं था. So back in the days, we thought कि there should be one platform where we promote such kind of talent
Okay.
because to understand like that or to just to sell our talent it was becoming very difficult जो जानता है उन लोग बुलाते हैं but at the same time ये चीज बड़ी कब होगी जब masses तक पहुंचेगी
हाँ.
so we thought of creating a platform in 2011 का thought था I started with my bunch of the students and उसके बाद 2011 में शुरू किया 12 13 14 तक I was with my like people who started with me and
Okay.
then 2014-15 में there's a guy called Viraj who is in the team now तो हम लोग दोनों मिले and then there was again a lot of ऐसा टाइम था जहाँ पे हम लोग दोनों ही थे
Okay.
टीम बड़ी थी फिर छोटी हो गई and then again we keep hustling करके 2017 was the time when people started recognizing us after like 5-7 years of struggle of putting going to all the events collab करने से college collabs and different talking to different artists doing our own workshops on jams so to collect people and form one community like a To the
Yeah.
Culture community I think 2017 tak it was a real struggle from 11 to 17 after 2017 things started becoming thoda easy where you know it became opposite where people started approaching us let's do a collab we
हाँ.
want you guys on board और वैसा हो गया तो पूरा रिवर्स गेम शुरू हो गया then we thought कि now it is the right time where we can do what we want
Yeah.
अभी तक कैसा हो रहा था कि अभी तक लोगों की हम लोग ख्वाहिशें पूरी कर रहे थे
हाँ.
we want to do this तुमको क्या चाहिए we'll do this तुमको ये चाहिए we'll do that being the organization we used to organize we used to book artists we used to do a lot of things just to build our brand कि यार नहीं visibility मिल रहा है ठीक है पैसे जा रहे हैं जेब से जा रहे हैं तो वो सब करने के चक्कर में काफी 2017 तक it was a real struggle
Okay.
17 18 19 was the time जहाँ पे लोग हम लोग को जानने लगे
Okay.
And 1920 अभी how it is going on, touch wood, good, अच्छा जा रहा है.
अच्छा, तो आपको आपको क्या लगता है जो मेन रीजन था पीछे? व्हाट वाज द मेन रीजन यू थिंक दैट यू थिंग्स स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग इजी फॉर यू आफ्टर 2017?
I think इतना लोगों को trust build होगा because over the year ना when we were doing there was a lot of negative stuff also, because see when you do something good there are people जो support करेंगे और वहाँ पे एक negative लोग भी रहते जो support नहीं करते वैसा, but उनका भी trust build करना and at the same time जो लोग support कर रहे हैं उनको बोलना कि और support करो and doing something which is out of the way, मतलब where you know you talk about money, you talk about uh, like doing anything which is done for the people, and at the same time all you want in return is a trust कि this is what we are doing for you guys, this is for the community.
Yeah.
वैसा तो वो ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करने इतना टाइम लग गया, एंड देन एक बार वो I'm telling you ना 2011 से 2017 was the time where we were just telling people कि भाई हम पे भरोसा करो, we are the organization which is gonna do a lot of things in hip hop, and we this is our aim, this is our goal. तो आई थिंक 2017 के बाद चीजें इजी हो गई, वेयर एक्चुअली वो फिर वर्ड ऑफ माउथ फैलने लगा, अरे तुमको कुछ प्रमोट करना है, तुमको कुछ चाहिए, एक काम करो, टू द कल्चर को कॉल करो, टेल देम टू कम ऑन बोर्ड, टेल देम टू डू अ कोलैब, वैसा.
Okay. And do you think it is because of word of mouth, or do you think after 2016 as India got a lot of internet, जो जियो का बूस्ट हुआ उससे आपको कुछ फर्क लगा? आपको लगता है कुछ हेल्प हुई जैसे भी?
Yes, I think बहुत बड़ी हेल्प हुई है, because we were actually struggling कि because when we see videos from West, okay, like USA, South Korea, they are insane when you talk about internet. उन लोग ऐसे ही अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे, प्लस उनका इंटरनेट बहुत क्रेजी है, एंड दे हैव एक्सेस टू एवरीथिंग. वैसा, बट जियो आने के बाद आई थिंक हम लोग का मतलब काफी फायदा हुआ. अ लॉट ऑफ 2 tier cities, 3 tier cities, people started coming online. They got to know what is this, because अभी हम लोग का, if you see the stats, it is all about Mumbai and Delhi, और छोटा और थोड़ा Bangalore होता था. Then okay, because you are reaching to a metro city. But now after Jio का and digital काफी चीजें हो गई लास्ट 3 साल से, we have सूरत, अहमदाबाद, जयपुर, कोटा, पुणे, and all that इंदौर, MP. तो काफी मतलब स्टैट्स में काफी इंप्रूव हुआ, जहाँ पे यू कैन सी कि 2 tier cities वाले लोग भी जुड़ रहे. सो इट इज द राइट थिंग फॉर अस, बिकॉज वही तो मेन था, मतलब वहां तक पहुंचना ही मेन था, बिकॉज मेट्रो सिटीज में तो कैसे ना कैसे पहुंच ही जाएंगे वैसा, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इवेंट हैपनिंग, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ गिग्स हैपनिंग अराउंड, तो वहां तक तो पहुंचना है. बट मेन एम यही है कि जब तुम डीप में पहुंचोगे, क्योंकि वहां पे भी कोई है जिसको हिप हॉप सीखना है, या हिप हॉप के बारे में रैप करना है, या डांस करना है, या बीट बॉक्स करना है, जो भी करना है. So we become a platform to them कि यार ये एक जगह है जहाँ पे तुमको सब मिलेगा. Because see, if I'm a dancer, I would if I'm a hip hop dancer, I would love to listen to hip hop rap also. Because a lot of times if you are into hip hop, वो automatic तुमको खींचता है. I'll automatically get fascinated towards graffiti and beatbox, because it becomes your lifestyle. When you spend 2-3 years of doing your art form, वो एक lifestyle बन जाता है hip hop में. So यही प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करने का रीजन ये था कि जिन को ये लाइफस्टाइल जीनी है, उनके लिए एक चैनल होना चाहिए जो they'll tell you the news, they'll keep events, they'll do everything you want, and all just you have to do is you just have to have a good internet, and if you can travel, come down to the events they do, and just enjoy the vibe.
Okay. Yeah. And what was the major जो प्रॉब्लम सबसे ज्यादा आपको आई इतने साल, मतलब अभी 19 हम 20 में हैं, जो ये 10 years का जो गैप, जो ये जो स्पैन है, इसमें क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है आपको इसको सस्टेनेबल बनाने के लिए, कंपनी का कुछ ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करने के लिए? how did you made people to think that you can trust on us? What was the reason so people trusted on you?
See, problem wise I'll tell you कि ऐसा था कि there was a time where we were not financially supported, or maybe we didn't had that capital एक जो कंपनी के पास होना चाहिए, because जो भी छोटा मोटा आ रहा था, it was going on rolling, like if we have some money, we'll invest in this and we'll do something, we create content and we keep telling people and we keep that consistency, or like see the best part about my team is we always believed in consistency. You know, it's been like 9 years, 9 years now. So we just thought, you know, we shouldn't stop. Like if we stop for a month also, then you know वो लोगों का इंटरेस्ट चले जाएगा या लोगों को मतलब वो जो बिल्ड जो जितने लोग भी जुड़े उनका वो ट्रस्ट बिल्ड हो निकल जाएगा कि नहीं यार नाउ इट इज नाउ दे हैव स्टॉप्ड or they come once in a while. तो ऐसा नहीं करना था. We thought कि we have to be consistent and tell each and everyone we are doing like you know new things every month. Like कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है या रैप में हो रहा है या हिप हॉप नाइट हो रही है या you know we working for some brands, we are doing some collabs. So वो ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होने के लिए हम लोग ने कुछ काफी टाइम ऐसा निकाला जहाँ पे वी हैव बोरोड मनी टू डू थिंग्स. फिर कहाँ से आया तो फिर उसको वो किया. तो आई थिंक फाइनेंस हैव ऑलवेज बिकम अ प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज हिप हॉप में ज्यादा पैसा नहीं है. Only money you get is through brands. So right now the situation is where brands have started coming on board and supporting us like last 2 साल से. उसके पहले तक ये नहीं था. And first thing was that. Second thing ये है कि you know like viewers have become very smart now. So one you always have to do a good deed to get someone's respect. ठीक है बिकॉज एक वीडियो वायरल होना एक आर्टिस्ट को ये करना बहुत इजी है. बट व्हेन यू रन अ कंपनी यू हैव टू लुक अराउंड कि यू नो लोग तुम्हारी कंपनी बिल्ड करते, तुम तुम्हारी कंपनी बिल्ड नहीं करते वैसा. बिकॉज फॉर एन आर्टिस्ट एक वीडियो वायरल हो गया तो इट्स ओके लाइक मतलब दैट इज मतलब आजकल किसी का भी हो जाता है. मतलब कोई भी क्लिक हो गया, टिकटॉक बना दिया, कुछ भी हो गया तो यू नो हाउ इट इज. बट टू कंपनी टू बिल्ड दैट ट्रस्ट कि यार वो सालों लग जाते हैं और सालों लगे हैं. एंड एट द सेम टाइम कुछ भी गलत हुआ तो तुम्हारा पूरा जितने सालों का ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होता है. Then people don't stop saying this guys are scammers or you know this guys do for this, they're doing it for money, you know इन लोग आर्टिस्ट को यूज कर रहे हैं. तो वैसे लोग हैं जो कभी कभी मतलब see we are humans, okay, so हम लोग का सबके साथ अच्छा होना जरूरी नहीं है. Some people you like, some people you don't like. So what our motto is, if you don't like someone, we stay away. It's not like we'll poke you and say you know you are this and you are that. अगर मैं किसी को नहीं पसंद कर रहा हूँ तो मेरा पर्सनल ये है कि मैं खुद दूर हो जाता हूँ कि भाई ये बंदा इधर है, मेरे को नहीं पसंद, मैं खुद दूर हो जाता हूँ. rather than going and saying on face कि you know कि नहीं तू गलत है, तू ये है, तू वो है वैसा. Because when you run a company you have a lot of responsibility where your team is behind you and they are also answerable somehow, so you have to play very safe. and एक वो है. दूसरा फाइनेंस का एक प्रॉब्लम है, एक लोगों का प्रॉब्लम है जो नेगेटिव लोग हैं उन लोग का. And I think apart from that we are lucky that we have a good digital team. Like we have a designer, we have an editor, we have someone who is good into writing content, and you know we have people who are experienced in managing events. So touchwood we are like a proper core team. Like we are not big, we are like 7-8 people, but everyone looks after everything, but everyone have their own masters in their own stuff. Like two of them are good into managing events, two of them are good into building digital ideas, क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए वैसा. So apart from that बस यही एक थोड़ा फाइनेंस का जो नेगेटिव लोग हैं वो हमेशा थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम देते हैं. बट आई थिंक दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द गेम. वो सबके साथ होता है. So we just have to keep going.
Okay, wonderful. And coming to the next question, what are the positive and the negative sides of the industry?
Positive side ये है कि now there are a lot of opportunities. You just have to be on the right place at the right time. वैसा. And negative is I still feel कि there can be a lot of money coming in, but अपने ही लोग हैं जो what do you say, for example अगर मेरे पास 10,000 का काम आ रहा है तो there's someone who is already ready to do it for $5 and there's 5,000 rupees.
Yeah,
you know the half the price, and there's already third person who is like मेरे को फेम दे दो मैं फ्री में करूंगा. So हाँ तो मतलब वो एक सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट एक आर्टिस्ट को आना चाहिए कि जहाँ पे you know if because brands और इंडस्ट्री ये देखती है कि हाउ द कम्युनिटी वर्क्स. अगर हिप हॉप कम्युनिटी में मेरे को अगर कुछ करना है एंड आई नो कि मैं थोड़ा फेम दिखाऊंगा लोग आ जाएंगे फ्री में, देन दे वोंट स्पेंड. सो वी एज अ कम्युनिटी नीड टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग where we stand for our art, we stand for you know others art कि भाई अगर मैं ये फ्री में करूंगा तो कल उठ के इन लोग सब फ्री में ही मांगेंगे वैसा. So I think we need to be very strong on our part कि नहीं यार you know this is my art, ये art का मैं इतना लेता हूँ, and there has to be some kind of unity against the same art form कि यार you know अगर तुमको ऐसा कुछ आता है तो there has to be one bar कि यार इसके नीचे मत करो. You know काफी टाइम आता है where for example MTV से कॉल आ गया तो you'll be like no fuck it I don't want money, मेरे को MTV पे जाने मिल रहा है. So
हाँ.
किसी किसी का वो रहता है because when you are very young, like you know some people get fame in very young age, like 17, 18, 16. So for them, you know, parents are there to take care of him and his pocket money. So
Yeah.
he's getting paid घर पे से. But at the same time, you know, there's a guy who's 25 years old and he has to make his own, you know,
Money.
bread and butter and pay his own bills. तो
Yeah.
उसके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. तो एक 16-year-old guy will think कि यार मैं MTV पे जाऊंगा तो मेरे को फेम मिलेगा and then you know I'll get fan following and all. But at the same time एक 25 years वाला MTV को बोलेगा कि no bro, if you want me I'll charge so much. तो MTV will go with someone in like बीच में न्यूट्रल वाला कि भाई मेरा 2000 भी ले ले और उसको फेम भी दे दो. You getting me? वैसा तो मतलब I'm not saying MTV but any channel, any industry, any like you know reality show or anything, like whatever thing is, there are people. So we need to understand कि you know we keep a benchmark कि यार you know there has to be a thin line कि इससे नीचे नहीं होगा. एक वो है and I think we should start respecting each other's art. वो बहुत कम देखने मिलता है जहाँ पे you know we appreciate. तो I think we fall in the same category like hip hop वाले जो भी है, beef कम रखो and competition should be healthy. तो उसको खराब मत करो. Healthy competition होना चाहिए but at the same time there shouldn't be a bad vibe. You know,
Okay.
healthy competition is always good for the growth दोनों के लिए, but वो एक bad vibe से अलग रहना चाहिए. And there has to be a thin line where you know when industry is approaching, वैसा बस यही है bro.
Yeah. Okay. And what were your failures in the journey of 9 years of to the culture? What are the failures you gone through?
Failure was like there was a time when I was alone, you know, so that was a big failure because I started with a four with me, like five of us. But then
Yeah.
there was a time when you know the team wanted their own priorities. Some wanted to do a further study because when we started, we were young. Then some people changed their mind of doing you know job, and you know few people did for passion. कि
Yeah.
ठीक है चलो मैं थोड़े time के लिए हूँ passion के लिए, but I know my career goal, and so there was a time when everyone you know went away and I was alone. So that was one where I still remember. But I used to still you know with my brother, or then I connected with Viraj. We used to work remotely घर पे से. तो हम लोग events to events मिलते थे वैसा. So there was a lonely time. एक वो है. दूसरा फेलियर ये है कि यार आई कैनॉट टेक नेम्स बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल अराउंड अस who tries to pull you down when you do something good. और बहुत लोग अभी भी ऐसे हैं जो तुमको you know नेगेटिव फैलाते हैं और you know when you're going up तो वो तुमको नीचे खींचते. For example, if you see a lot of people have tried hacking our accounts, a lot of people have tried reporting our accounts, but
Okay.
they don't know because see we don't come from a big following base because we keep it very authentic.
Yeah.
Our numbers are very small, but at the same time they are very tight and they are very authentic to our art form. If you
Okay.
see, all big people are following us. I don't want to name any, but if you see our followers there, if I put something, it will reach out to the right people. I have made that like you know sure from the day one के our page has to be very authentic. मेरे को कचरा नहीं करना है. If I just keep posting random stuff, TikTok वाले ये डाल रहे वो डाल रहे, किसी ने डाला repost किया नहीं. So what our content, if you ask me like what we post, what is it all about? So it is about you know being authentic and you know either we collab, either we create our own content वैसा. But failure wise तो I think ये था कि एक तो lonely time था और दूसरा कि you know negative लोग बहुत थे and तीसरा finance का जो था problem which we used to you know keep
Yeah.
spending for our pocket. कोई किसी ने दिया नहीं है. So घर पे से मांग मांग के या you know यहाँ से जुगाड़ करके यहाँ डालो, you know borrow from a friend वैसा. तो वो सब चीज था bro.
And how has been the support from your family side? How did they support?
Family is right now. See, I'm at 30. Okay, so you know how the pressure is. You know, at the same time you have to. You know, you're answerable to your family. At the same time, you're growing also because when I see my people around, they have their own house, maybe a good car or maybe a good lifestyle. But see, lifestyle it is okay. We like I live a best lifestyle I can say, but there are few things where you know parents talk about. You know वैसा. And when you choose a field of art, you know anything in art is not about hip hop, so it is very difficult to survive because you can be a big shot in a day or it might take you you know 10 years or 20 years to you know be good in your art form, or maybe you
Yeah.
know you call it a luck or you call it a golden time or something like that. So it has always been difficult. It is still difficult where I understand I am not a financially strong right now, but there, I can see that hope. One day maybe it is nearby, because the 2011 to 2019, it's been a long journey, and right now I think it's time when people started knowing us and people started trusting us, and a lot of things are changing, and we see a lot of finance thing also coming in, like monetary चीजें बहुत हो रही है, and brands have started supporting us. So I think this was the right year where we thought कि 2020 में बहुत कुछ होगा, because if you see last year in 2019 we did a lot of good gigs, which was financially supported. We had a good savings, and as a company also we did good amount of turnover. So hopefully this year was supposed to be good, yeah, but abhi ये है. But apart from that, family is supportive with what we do, but the only problem is कि end में सब घूम के पैसे पे आता है. If you're not earning money, then
Yeah.
they also feel sad, because you're
Yeah.
running out of time, and time is changing every day.
Yeah, agreed. Yeah, wonderful. So coming to the next question, what would be an advice to anyone who wants to become an entrepreneur or start a company related to art form or anything?
First thing is, like, you have to be very particular about your niche. Like, what do you want? Like, one thing I was very clear from the day one, where I wanted to create a platform around hip hop, like
Yeah.
very clear. Okay, because and it started with an art form, and I thought I can add tech into it. I can take care of social media, and then I can be a content creator around this art form, because there's so much happening around art form. So since I was a media student and I had bit of knowledge of tech, so it became easy, where I knew this is the future. So right now, uh, all I can say is, choose your niche. Like, this is what I want, and numbers can be small. Hip hop ka number is small. If I do Bollywood, it can be big. Like, because Bollywood हर घर में सब बॉलीवुड करते हैं, बट हर घर में हिप हॉप नहीं होता.
नहीं
So
होता.
our niche is small, but at the same time it is very authentic. So
Yeah.
if you want to start anything, you have to be very authentic to your form, whatever niche you are choosing, and network around good people. Like, मैंने कहा तो भी पढ़ा था कि you become the average of 5 people you hang around with.
Yeah.
You getting me? So your network should be very strong, and keep it small, keep it smart, and just keep. See, a lot of kids these days, क्या problem हो रहा है ना, कि people want things very fast. Okay, that
Yeah.
is, that is, जितना जल्दी ऊपर जाएंगे ना, उतना जल्दी नीचे गिरेंगे.
नीचे गिरेंगे.
You getting me? The slow you go, the more you stay up.
Yeah.
वैसा. So my advice is keep going, and just don't see around. See, we also come from the background where we also see around कि यार, ये कर रहा है, or this guys are doing good, and why are we not doing it? But everyone have their own time. So all you can say is, you just keep going, and there's something called luck, and which will just fit in, and it will blow. But
Yeah.
if you're not working hard, you cannot wait for luck to come in. So your working hard thing should be there every day. Every day, that has to be your motivation. Nahi. Just keep going, keep going. Consistency is the key. A lot of people take a break in a month or 2 months. We have not taken a break. Like, we take break like for 2 days, 3 days in like 6 months or 3 months, because we love our art form. What we do our events, and also we have fun in that. So that is the main thing. One should also love what they are doing. Under pressure kuch nahi hota. Now, don't worry about money, because it will follow up. Now there are fundings, now there are investors. If they trust you, then obviously brands can get in money, investors can get in money, but your
Yeah.
product should be very authentic, because अभी चीजें इतनी open up हो गई है ना. If you try to do everything, you will be master of zero. मतलब, there has to be one niche which is like very much, okay, I am so and so, and we are doing so and so. Then once that thing is done, then you go into different parts. You getting me? We have slowly started into going into fashion also. We have slowly, last year in November we started a music label.
Yeah.
So that is called expanding. Like, one thing, एक platform बन गया, अभी वो platform में से तुम कितने और platform create कर सकते हो. Giving them chance, or getting more money from sponsors, showing them so and so part of your company. वैसा. So I think वही है, being authentic, patience, consistency, and your network is the network. ये सब entrepreneur को पता ही है, tagline बहुत जरूरी है. और जिसको नहीं पता, make a note, your network is your net worth. Because जैसे मैंने बोला, you become the average of people you hang around with. So make sure, of course, friends तो रहते ही है पागल लोग. school or college friends, that is okay. They are a part of it. But when you talk about your business circle, when you talk about your entrepreneur circle, it has to be, you have to be very choosy. People you talk with, people you hang around with, who's your mentor and who's giving you right advice. मतलब सुनो सबकी करो खुद की, because you know your vision. वैसा.
Yeah.
So I think
So,
यही advice दे सकता हूँ.
okay, and what was the reason to start the music label? Was it to just what was the reason?
So म्यूजिक लेवल का थॉट ऐसा था कि we did a lot of rap ciphers, like when you see our events, like what we do, we in between used to add fillers of rap. We used to add, call people from our circle to just to rap, and just to do a performance or anything. But then we got so many, like we used to always keep getting the response from artists. You guys are doing so much for different things. Why don't you start your own label, and you have your own bunch of artists, and that can be a great thing for the newcomer artists. So we don't. So the thought is that yeah, let's start with the label where we promote new talent, and at the same time जो बहुत underrated है उनको लेते हैं, and we try to build them up, and once they become something, चीजें फिर वापस रिवर्स हो जाएगी, where the label will become big once the artist has become big. So artist is big. तो thought यही था कि music has always been a part, very important part in everyone's journey, because if you are sad, you listen to sad music. If you are happy, you'll have fun, and EDM, and it's on your mood. So
Yeah.
music को सब लोग connect करते हैं. But again, coming into rap thing, since we were a part of hip hop, we used to do a lot of gigs. तो बहुत artist लोग का response आता था, यार you guys should start with label शुरू करो जहाँ पे you promote new artists. तो वो thought artist लोग से ही आया. And we have 4 songs for now, and we are dropping one next month, and every month we're trying to drop one song, and get one new artist in front of the people, since we have a base, and we have a network of good artists where it becomes easy for that artist to connect with other good artists, और एक limelight में लाने का एक मौका मिल जाता है, और artist का profile भी बनता है. तो we thought कि we have that now after 9 years we have that platform कि जहाँ पे अगर हम किसी artist को गाना बना के उसको push कर रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए वो बहुत बड़ा होगा, and जब उसके लिए वो बड़ा होगा तो automatically वो भी अपने लिए भी बड़ा होगा वैसा. And again, it is all about consistency. We never thought कि यार म्यूजिक लेवल है तो गाना वायरल होना चाहिए. नहीं, our song is like what 40K, 30K, 15K, मतलब उतना व्यूज जा रहा है. So but the plan right now is to keep adding more people to it, and getting that content to a right people, to a brand, to someone like artists from the scene who are doing big वैसा. So reaching to a right people rather than reaching to all फालतू TikTokers type के भाई TikTok बनाओ, but going it smart, वैसा बोल सकता हूँ.
Yeah. Okay. Last question of this session. What will be a message, or what will be an advice? Anything you would like to speak about in this? You can do that.
एडवाइस यही है ब्रो कि मतलब जस्ट कीप डूइंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, बी ट्रू टू योरसेल्फ. किसी को डोंट बी फेक लाइक अ प्लास्टिक, कि बाहर से कुछ और है, अंदर से कुछ और है. एनीथिंग यू डू इन लाइफ, यू हैव टू बी वेरी like very straight up, and जो हाँ तो हाँ ना तो ना, मतलब don't be like a gray thing, या black या white, and just keep consistency होना चाहिए. जैसे मैंने बोला कि anything you do, everyone wants it fast, everyone wants कि यार कल सुबह उठो और ये हो जाए, मेरे followers बढ़ जाए या पैसे आ जाए. But it is all about going long run. अगर तुम long run तक खेलते रहोगे तो end में बहुत अच्छा फल मिलेगा. So keep it like that, keep going. Don't बहुत पुराना कोट है कि कर्म करते जा फल की चिंता मत कर. It is actually true. Just keep doing your shit, and one day things will turn.
Yeah.
You'll have अच्छे दिन आएंगे types वैसा. वही है, और तो कुछ है नहीं ब्रो. बाकी तो everyone knows. फिर ऐसा हो जाएगा कि मैं मतलब बहुत ज्ञान बांट रहा हूँ.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So thank you very much. बहुत बड़ा thank you कि you joined here and we did this conversation. Thank you very much.
No problem, bhai. No problem. I think this was better than live. It was a good thing which you thought कि यार Zoom पे करते.
Yeah.
Because live के लिए मैं थोड़ा ऐसा हो जाता हूँ कि I won't be comfortable answering everything. क्योंकि it'll be more like कौन देख रहा है, किसने कुछ पूछ लिया. Now you can do your edit, and you can post it.
Yeah, true. So yeah, thank you very much. It's wonderful having you.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much, brother. You're doing great. Keep doing this, and